Join me as I take on the challenge of testing out the best cheap natural deodorant made from just baking soda and water. In this video, you'll learn how to make your own natural deodorant using just baking soda and water. Perfect for those looking for a budget-friendly option. Many people struggle with finding effective deodorants that are also free from harmful chemicals, and high prices can make it difficult to choose natural options. I've been there too, and it can be frustrating to feel like you're stuck between choosing something that works but is bad for you, or something that's natural but doesn't actually do the job. It's like, do I really have to sacrifice my health for the sake of not sweating too much? But what if I told you there's a way to have the best of both worlds? A natural deodorant that's not only effective but also super affordable. The truth is, a lot of commercial deodorants are filled with harsh chemicals that can cause more harm than good. From parabens to aluminum, these ingredients can irritate our skin and even disrupt our hormones. And let's be real, who needs that? So, it's no wonder more and more people are turning to natural alternatives. But the thing is, a lot of natural deodorants can be pretty pricey, which can be a major turnoff for those on a budget. But what if I told you there's a way to make your own natural deodorant that's not only effective but also costs next to nothing? That's right, we're talking about baking soda and water. Yep, you read that right. Just two ingredients that you probably already have in your pantry, and you're good to go. Baking soda is an amazing natural ingredient that has so many benefits when it comes to our skin. Not only does it help to neutralize odor, but it's also antibacterial and antifungal, which means it can help to keep your armpits clean and fresh. Plus, it's super gentle, so even those with sensitive skin can use it without any worries. And the best part is, it's ridiculously cheap. Like, we're talking pennies on the dollar. When it comes to making this deodorant, the process is super simple. You'll need about 1 teaspoon of baking soda and around 75 milliliters of water. That's it. Mix them together in a small bottle, warm water mixes better, and you're good to go. It is best to use a bottle that has a slightly bigger hole than a spray bottle, as the mixture gets stuck after a while otherwise, so you can't spray it out. Just spray it in your armpits, like you would any other deodorant, and it'll keep you fresh and odor-free all day long. To make the deodorant, just put 1 teaspoon of baking soda into a measuring jug, then add the warm water, and mix until all the powder has mixed into the water. Pour the mixture into the bottle you would like to use and voila! You have created the best and most budget-friendly deodorant I have ever known. The best part about this deodorant is that it's completely customizable. You can also create the deodorant with a tablespoon of baking soda and a few drops of water if you prefer a paste instead. If you find that the paste is too thick, you can just add a bit more water. And if it's too thin, you can add a bit more baking soda. It's all about finding that perfect consistency that works for you. One of the things I love about this deodorant is that it's so easy to make. Like, we're talking less than 5 minutes from start to finish. And the best part is, it's not just effective, it's also super affordable. We're talking pennies on the dollar, people. And let's be real, who doesn't love saving a buck or two? By making the switch to this homemade deodorant, you'll not only be saving money, but you'll also be doing your body a favor. You'll be avoiding all those harsh chemicals found in commercial deodorants, and you'll be keeping your armpits fresh and clean. Plus, it's just a great feeling knowing that you're taking care of your body with natural ingredients. Thanks so much for watching, guys. If you've tried making your own natural deodorant before, I'd love to hear about your experiences in the comments below. And if you're new to the world of DIY beauty, be sure to check out my other videos for more tips and tricks.